Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a game-changing grooming tool, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000, a high-tech electric shaver that promises to give you a superior shave with its advanced features. Whether you're new to electric shavers or looking to upgrade, this one offers some serious innovation. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. This shaver combines cutting-edge technology with precision engineering to deliver a personalized shave that adapts to your needs. With its SenseIQ technology, this model senses your skin's condition, guides you during shaving, and adjusts its performance accordingly. It's designed to work with all types of beards, from stubble to dense 5-day growth, while ensuring maximum comfort in a close shave. Now let's take a closer look at what this shaver offers. The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 features dual steel precision blades that rotate 360 degrees, making it effective in every direction, even on tricky spots like your neck or upper lip. The lift and cut system lifts the hair for a closer cut, and the flexible heads adapt to the contours of your face, offering a smooth and comfortable shave with minimal irritation. The pressure guard sensor is another standout feature. It helps protect your skin by lighting up when you're pressing too hard or not hard enough. Plus, the nano skin glide coating on the shaving head reduces friction for a smoother glide, which can be a game changer if you have sensitive skin. From a practical perspective, the shaver is incredibly easy to incorporate into your grooming routine. It's wet and dry, so you can use it in the shower or on dry skin, depending on your preference. The shaver feels lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to maneuver around all areas of your face. I tested it both in the shower and dry, and I found the glide to be consistently smooth in both scenarios. The pop-up trimmer is a great addition for detailing sideburns or shaping facial hair, while the included cleaning pod with a cartridge ensures your shaver stays in top condition with minimal effort. The travel case is a nice touch if you're on the go, keeping everything neatly organized. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: 360-degree rotating blades offers a thorough close shave, especially on difficult areas. SenseIQ technology personalizes the shaving experience, adjusting to your skin's needs. Lift and cut system delivers a smooth shave with fewer passes. Pressure guard sensor protects skin from irritation. Nano skin glide coating smooths the glide, reducing friction and irritation. Convenience features: wet and dry functionality, pop-up trimmer, and cleaning pod. Ergonomic design, comfortable to use even for extended periods. Cons: price, on the higher end, so it may not be the most budget-friendly option. Noise, can be a bit louder compared to other models, especially with thicker beards. Learning curve for some. The SenseIQ technology is great, but some users may need time to adjust to its adaptive features. When it comes to value for money, this shaver definitely brings premium features. While it's priced higher than many other electric shavers on the market, you're paying for top-tier technology and performance. If you have sensitive skin or need a shaver that adapts to your personal needs, this is an investment that could be worth it. However, if you're just looking for a simple, basic shaver, there are more affordable options that might suit you just fine. If you're considering alternatives, there are other brands like Braun or Panasonic that offer similar features at a lower price point. But the SenseIQ and pressure guard sensor do make the Philips Norelco Series 9000 stand out in terms of personalized comfort. In terms of build quality, this shaver feels solid and durable. The materials used in the construction are high quality, and it should last through years of regular use if properly maintained. The cleaning pod and cartridge system ensure that your shaver remains in top condition without too much fuss. If you've ever interacted with Philips's customer service, you'll know they're known for being responsive and helpful, though I haven't personally had to contact them for this product. The brand has a good reputation for standing behind their products, which is always a plus when investing in high-end grooming tools. So, is the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for precision, comfort, and a tailored shave. It's especially great for anyone with sensitive skin or those who appreciate tech-forward grooming solutions. While the price tag might be high for some, the features and performance back it up, especially for daily use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.